Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your power button is not actually doing anything when you try and turn off or sleep your computer on Windows 10. So this can definitely be a very frustrating issue if you're experiencing it. So in this brief tutorial I wanted to make a brief walkthrough of how to resolve it without too much difficulty. So we're going to just jump right into it, and we're going to start by heading over to the start menu, and we're going to type in power settings, and one of the setting options that should come up should say power options. So if you'd rather type in power options, you could do that as well. So we're going to select that. So on this new window that appears, you want to left click on this option that says choose what the power button does right underneath control panel home. So you want to left click on that, and then where it says when I press the power button, you can change this settings by clicking this little arrow, and it'll open up the drop down menu. So if it's currently set to do nothing, all you have to do is set it to the shutdown position, and then once you're done doing that, you can click on save changes. If you wanted to change it to sleep, you could do that as well, and then click save changes. Or you can also just turn off the display. So really whatever you wanted to do, but for most of you guys who are on this video, I would assume you want to shut down. So just set that to be the position here, and then click on save changes. You can close out of this window at this point, and you should be good to go, and your power button should be working as normal. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.